Guys, welcome back to Popular Star channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the all information of railway. So let's start. So I have some questions and answers. So let's read it. Who is the present railway minister of India? Ashwani Vaishnav. Ashwani Vaishnav is the railway minister in India since 7 July 2021. Second question. Full form of IRFC. The full form of IRFC is Indian Railway Finance Corporation. This corporation took care of financial requirements of Indian Railways. Where is the wheel and axle plant of Indian Railway located? So wheel means the train, the railway wheels means train wheels, and axle plant is located in Bengaluru. Fourth, the popular train Deccan Queen runs between. The Deccan Queen is a name of a train that is popular, so that run between Mumbai and Pune. Which state has the longest rail route? So the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has the longest rail route. Now sixth is total number of railway station in India. There means this question is asking for us to tell this that how many numbers of stations are in India. So 7,321 approx. India's first private train. So private train like private plane hota hai. So like this there is private train. The first was Tejas Express. Then first Wi-Fi train in India, Howrah Delhi Rajdhani Express. Howrah is the train name and Delhi Rajdhani Express. First Wi-Fi metro train. This question was first Wi-Fi train. This is first Wi-Fi metro train in India is Delhi Metro. 10th is first railway station in India to have a free high-speed Wi-Fi facility, Mumbai Central Station. Mumbai Central Station means Mumbai Central Station, mid station in whole Mumbai. Then 11th question is first bullet train in India. It is not launched yet, but it will be launched in 2022 by the National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited, means NHSRCL. This is the full form. This is the full form of NHSRCL, National High Speed Railway Corporation Limited. The train will run from Mumbai to Ahmedabad and connecting various cities in between the route. When was the first railway track laid for passenger train? When the passenger train was invented, the first railway track was laid on in 1847. Now last three questions are 13th. Largest railway junction in India. As you know, the junction is whole junction and like Shalamar Gao Junction, like this, Vaishno Devi Junction, etc. So the largest junction is Mathura Junction in Uttar Pradesh, located in Uttar Pradesh. 14th. Which station has vast number of platforms? Vast number of platforms. Vast means ज़्यादा, max number of platforms. So Howrah is a place. Howrah Junction, 23 platforms. It has 23 platforms. 15. What is the length of railway? What is the length of a railway track in India? About 121,000 407 kilometers. In the international language we will say 121,407, but in the Indian language we will say 1,21,407 kilometers. Explanation: as of 2020, India has a route length of 67,368 kilometer and 41,861 miles. As you say, these are the both numbers same numbers, but this is in kilometers and miles. 1 kilometer have 8 miles, so calculate these. So it will be 41,861, and running track of 93,902 kilometers and 58,348 miles. So this was some questions regarding to railway, and I have some full forms also according to railway, like RVL, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited; RCIL, Railtel Corporation of India; CONCOR, CONCOR, Container Corporation of India Limited; CRIS, CRIS; Center for Railway Information Systems, PRCL; Pipav Railway Corporation Limited; RLDA, Rail Land Development Authority; IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation; IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation; RITES, RITES, Rail India Technical and Economic Service; IRCON, Indian Railway Construction Company Limited; MRVC, Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation; KRCL, Konkan Railway Corporation Limited; DFCCIL, Dedicated Freighted Corridor Corporation of India Limited. So this is topic of whole railway. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.